I'm Dylan Iorwerth. I'm managing editor of the magazine Golwg and the web online news service Golwg 360. Obviously, this degree means a lot because this place, Aberystwyth, the university, is a special place for Wales, a place where the University of Wales was formed. But it's also special for personal reasons as well. I came here 40 years ago myself as a student, and I'm still using some of the academic skills I learned here. But more than that, I think almost everything I've done has been built on the foundations, the cultural and social foundations of the life that I led here. And so it is a special place for the Welsh language and for Welsh language culture. And as it happens, my grandfather was given a degree here back in 1908, so there are all kinds of reasons why it's important.